Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we're gonna make dinner on a low budget. We're gonna make mozzarella chicken with roasted onion and potatoes and vegetables. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken. In goes salt, black pepper, paprika, red pepper flakes, garlic powder. Then rub the chicken with the seasonings. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add chicken pieces, then brown them slightly for 3 minutes per side. Flip the chicken over and continue to brown it for another 3 minutes. This chicken, guys, is so juicy and delicious. I barely have leftovers in my house, guys. Okay, please guys follow us on Instagram, Facebook at Mama Bui's Kitchen. Once the chicken is brown on all sides, remove it from the pan, transfer it to a baking sheet. Bake it in a 350 preheated oven for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, our chicken is baked, we pulled it out. Next, we're gonna place the mozzarella cheese on top of the chicken. Sprinkle parsley and red pepper flakes on top of the mozzarella cheese. Then broil it for 1 minute. The chicken is done, so we're gonna cover it with foil and set it aside. Okay, now let's move on to make our onion roasted potatoes. I'm using petite gourmet red potatoes. I washed them and I have cut them in half. Into the potatoes, I'm gonna add onion soup mix, paprika, and olive oil. Let me say about half a cup. Okay. Then I'm gonna toss everything together like this. I like to do this, guys. Toss, 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 toss. Okay. Like so. Right. Next, I'm gonna transfer my potatoes to a greased baking sheet. When I place my potatoes, guys, I like to place them on a single layer so that they can cook evenly. I have my oven preheated to 400 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna pop this into the oven and let them cook for 20 minutes. At 10 minutes, I'm gonna pull them out, flip them, and let them cook for 10 more minutes. The potatoes are ready. Guys, this smells so good. I'm gonna start off by blanching my vegetables. I have some water boiling on a medium-high heat. I'm gonna add salt along with my vegetables. I'm gonna let this cook for 3 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Now we're gonna remove our vegetables and put them into ice water bath. Allow the vegetable to sit in the ice water bath for 3 minutes Then take them out and set them aside. In a large skillet over a medium heat, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add sliced red onion. Saute the onions for like a minute or so. Add vegetables. Along with basil. Rosemary. Garlic powder. Some salt. Then I'm gonna toss everything together, just like so, guys. Oh guys, it smells so good. So our vegetables are done. And you have it, guys. Budget-friendly meal. Easy to make. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.